I had a viewer ask me if I could show them how to remove the trigger assembly from a, this is a Ruger American 30-06. It's pretty simple to do, and I'll be glad to show you. Give me something to do. I needed to work on this gun anyway. You know, safety first. You need to make sure things are unloaded. So this is still, I know I've still got stuff in here from deer season. So first thing we're gonna do, unload it and make sure it's clear. And it is. And we'll go ahead, while we have it like this, let's just go ahead and remove the bolt. You're just gonna press down here so you can continue sliding it out, okay? Now the bolt's out. Now we need to remove the stock from the rifle assembly. So we need a hex nut. I'm not sure what size this is, but just need to, there are two. One on each side of where the magazine was. And there's gonna be a little shaking on the video because all this is on the same table and it's being done pretty quickly in a real time. Okay. All right. And there's our two nuts removed. And this simply slides right out. Okay, out of the way. Get a little something to support the barrel a little bit. Now, what we're wanting to remove, to take this trigger assembly off of the barrel in the chamber, there's two pins, one here and one here. And we're just gonna drive them out. Now the trick to driving them out is the right punch. And I believe, check and see, not sure what size it's gonna be. Okay, what we need is a 5/64 roll pin punch. And this is what the difference is. A normal punch would be flat. That's good for pins. But these roll pins are hollow in the center. What this does is allows us to get down into the center of that roll pin. It keeps us from flattening it out as we're driving it. It gets us in the center and helps that thing to keep from mushrooming out. So use that. Get us a hammer, a way to support it, and simply drive them out. You don't have to hit real hard. Raise up of it, get clear. There's one. And two. This is magnetic, so it helps me catch them. Here we go. Now, there's your trigger assembly. That's all there is to it, to removing that. And installation, of course, is the opposite. To get these, just want to get it started. You can tap like that just to get it holding in the hole. What I like to do when it's hard to line one up, I use my punch to get them set up because it's just a little bit smaller to drive right on through. Back in there, get it started. Same with this one. Then we just drive it right back in. And these hang out a little bit on each side. So just get them in there, centered. Now, go ahead, get this out of the way, and put our stock back on. Like I said, I'm trying to do this real time to show you just how long it takes. And with many things with gunsmithing, the right tools make all the difference in the world. Okay, we're back on there. Let's get our bolt back in. Good to go. If you want to, so you know where everything is. Put your magazine back in. And we're set. That's all there is to it. Hope this helped you out. Simple little thing to do, but sometimes it's those little things. If you just ask a question, it'll make it a whole lot easier. As usual, good luck with your projects.